Welcome. Want to add a personal touch to your Instagram story with text? Whether it's a fun quote, a caption, or just a message, I'm going to show you how to quickly add text to your story on Instagram. It's easy and can make your stories even more engaging for your followers. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Once you're logged in, you'll be at your home feed. To begin, tap on your story in the top left corner to start creating your story. Next, select the photo you want to share. You can choose one from your gallery or take a new picture. Once your photo is selected, you're ready to add some text. At the top of your screen, you'll see an icon that says AA. Tap on this text icon to open the text editor. This will allow you to type whatever message you'd like to add to your story. Type in your text, whether it's a quote, a funny comment, or something else. Once you're happy with the text, tap Done in the top right corner to finalize it. You can adjust the position and size of the text by dragging it around or pinching to resize it. When you're satisfied with how it looks, simply tap Your Story to post it. And that's it. You've now added text to your Instagram story. It's a great way to add personality and style to your posts, and you can do it in just a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks.